Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Sweet Lady. We are in Norway on a family holiday and doing some ministerial work. We're going for breakfast now, and I'm gonna show you the variety of food they serve on their breakfast. It's just amazing. We're not going home, not yet here. We just came not long ago. So this is where it starts from, guys. All of this part of the breakfast. It's a long aisle. That's breakfast. Interesting. Jaya, come, follow me. These are all the varieties. Get to the fruit side. The variety is just amazing. I'm so shocked. Sorry. And this. Just want to show you what it looks like in Norway. To do it quick so I don't interrupt. I've never seen avocado in any UK breakfast. I haven't been in any of the hotels, so this is nice. And this fish. This is part of the breakfast. You want drink? Have you eaten? You need to eat first. You eat and then you have drink there. Guys, all of this is part of the breakfast. So if you're in the UK, you want to come to the Norway, you'll probably be surprised. I don't know whether it depends on the hotel you lodge, but you know, these are the tea and the coffee side. This is all part of it. You have your water and everything cut. I wanted to show you guys because I have been very, very impressed. I have been very impressed with the breakfast options.